My name's Michael Bullock, CEO for Biesse Australia and New Zealand. We're here at AWISA showcasing our products on show. We're also looking at lots of extra services that we're trying to provide into the industry. We work very closely with a lot of good partners here at AWISA, including Airtight, who have installed and are maintaining all of the air ducting that we're using for all our machines here at the show. Well, I think in the industry, dust is obviously a bit an important issue in most manufacturing sites. To have a reliable partner which makes our machines look good is always good to have. I think in all business relationships, you have to trust your partner, and that's something that we take very in good heart with Airtight. They've always been there. We work very closely with them in our timing and scheduling, and they never let us down. So we're happy to be partners with them.